Hello, my name is Olusegun. I'm the founder of VSD Technologies Limited, an ICT company that is based in Lagos that provides tech solutions to individuals, corporate organizations, and government. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to design a responsive website using the WordPress platform. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go into the outline of the course so that we can get started immediately. Now, all you need to get started in this web design business is just you need to have a computer, that's either your laptop or your desktop, and you also need to have your internet connections, and you are good to go, because in the course of the design I will show you how to get all you need free of charge. As a matter of fact, this course is a free course. I'm giving it out to you FOC, free of charge. You are not paying a dime. The only thing you pay for this is just your time and your attention to everything I'll say in the course of the tutorial. So let's dive into the next item on our slide. Yes, we have introduction to WordPress. Under this module, you understand the website and what CMS is. You also understand the reason why we chose WordPress to every other CMS platforms. You know the reason why we did that. Then we move to the second module here, which is setting up your WordPress. Set your WordPress. The first thing you need to do here, choosing a domain name, selecting a web hosting provider, installing your WordPress, and you now have the WordPress dashboard overview. Now that takes us to module 3, where we navigate the WordPress dashboard. We check the dashboard of the WordPress. I'll just take you through that. Then settings and configurations, we do our configurations. And here we also look at user roles permissions. You can have your users, editors, those that are in charge of admin and the rest. You can do that. Then the next module, that's module 4, is creating your content. I start creating your content. We'll see the difference between posts and pages. You also create and publish posts. You also create and publish pages, and the use of categories and tags. So that takes us to the next module, which is module number 5. In this module, you look at media management, uploading and managing images, video, and other medias. Then you look at using the media library, also optimizing your media for web performance. Under this, you know how to optimize the images and videos so that it won't be too heavy for the website, so that your website can be very fast when it loads. Then number 6 module is the themes and customization. Here we choose and install themes. We have the free and the paid themes, premium themes and free themes. We also have installing themes from the WordPress repository, that's inbuilt theme by WordPress itself. You can use that. Then you also have uploading and activating a third-party theme. That's maybe you buy a theme from third party, that's either Envato or Theme Forest, and you can now upload that. Then that takes us to module number 7, customizing your theme. Under this module, we use the WordPress customizer. We also customize the headers and footers. I'll show you all this in the course of the practicals. Then we'll do editing the theme and settings and options. Editing the theme settings and options, we'll do that. I'll show you how to do that very easily. Then that takes us to module number 8. Under this module, we have to take a look at what we call plugins and the essential plugins you need for your website, for different websites. You have the SEO plugins, security plugins, performance optimization plugins, and also backup plugins. We take a look at all these categories of plugins under modules number 8. Now that takes us to the ninth module, which is module 9, enhancing the functionality with plugins. Enhancing functionality with plugins. We have plugins like contact form, where you can use to create all forms of form. We have different forms, graffiti forms, we have ninja forms, we have contact form 7, and so on and so forth. We have e-commerce. You can make use of WooCommerce plugin to control the e-commerce functionality of your site. There we look at that. We also look at the social media integration. We also look at page builders. We have WP Bakery, we have the Elementor, we have the DV builder, and so on and so forth. That takes us to the number 10th module, which is responsive design. We see how we can make our website to be mobile friendly, so that when they open your same site on mobile phones, mobile gadgets, it becomes very friendly, responsive. Not that everything on the site will look very scattered, and so that's what we mean by responsiveness. Then we move to module number 11, which is the last module here on this free website course or training on how to design website. It has to do with testing and iteration. So you test your design. After you have finished all this, we now test the design and see how it looks like. We have tools for tools and methods for testing, and you also gather analysis and feedback. So with this, by the time we are through with these 11 modules, you would have been, and maybe you sit down and you have your pen and your paper and you are jotting down, or notepad on your laptop or on your phone, you try to put things down, then you would have moved from level 0 to a complete web designer, that you can start designing website of your own. So that is that concerning this. So that is that about this introductory part of the video. I'll see you in the first module. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye.